In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new website on your Siteground hosting account. Whether you're looking to set up a blog, a business website, or just want to experiment with web design, this tutorial will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, let's kick things off by heading to the Siteground website. Open your web browser and type in worldsiteground.com. This will take you straight to Siteground's homepage. Now that we're here, you'll notice various options, features, and promotions right on the homepage. What we're going to look for is the login section. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on login. After clicking on login, you will be prompted to enter your account details. Type in your username and password to access your Siteground account. Don't worry if you've forgotten your password, there's always an option to reset it. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard showcasing all of your existing websites, billing information, and more. Next, let's navigate to your Siteground account area. On your dashboard, there should be a section or a button labeled My Siteground Account. Click on this to gain access to more specific account settings, where we'll create our new site. Now that we're in the right area, look for the Websites tab. This is usually located on the left side panel of the account dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. Under the Websites tab, there's an option that says New Website. Click on New Website to start the website creation process. You'll be asked some questions about the type of website you want to create and any particular domain preferences you have. At this point, you might also be prompted to choose between purchasing a new domain or adding your own. If you already have a domain, you can connect it to your new website. Whichever option you choose, Siteground will guide you on how to proceed. Choose your preferences carefully as they will affect your website's setup. Once you've made the necessary selections, Siteground will set up the hosting environment for your new site. This might take a few minutes, so be patient as the system configures everything for you. And there you have it, you've created a new website on your Siteground hosting account. You can now begin customizing it, adding content and designing it according to your preferences. Remember, Siteground provides numerous tools and resources to help you get the most out of your hosting experience. Whether it's the tutorials, the support team, or the user forum, help is always just a click away. Thank you for following this tutorial and happy website building!